The 20th National Congress of the Communist Party of China is underway in Beijing. World political leaders hail China's accomplishments under the CPC's leadership and send wishes to the landmark National Congress.
Prosperity Party has a full confidence on the decisions to be made and the new leadership to be elected during the Congress will certainly lead China toward a very bright future, bring about greater achievements for the party, and will have profound positive effect on the whole world by building the remarkable achievements of the party on a solid platform. I wish every success to the 20th CPC National Congress.
So congratulations to the CPC. I feel very honored to have been able to observe how the CPC has been able to achieve this, the first goal, the centenary goal. And I am sure the second centenary goal coming up, we see China to develop into a modern socialist society, and by 2035.
We must give a credit to the CPC that over the years it has consistently charted a way which has made China defend itself but also grow from strength to strength. Its rise has none of these negative factors. It is doing it in a peaceful manner on its own strength and in holistic cooperation with other countries.